Hey, how's it going? This is Thomas from ProDetailStudio.com, and the purpose of this video is to explain one of the first and very important steps in prepping for a ceramic coating. What we call decontamination. What it really is removal of rail dust, iron fallout, brake dust, any sort of iron sediments that bond to your paint. Now, these things cannot be removed from polishing or claying. I'm using a couple white cars in this video because you can see it better on the white cars, but it is on every type of car, and it comes on brand new cars straight from the dealer. It comes on old cars, it gets on the highway, it gets anytime you use your brakes. Those little license plate, chrome license plate things are notorious on the back of every vehicle. Where I find one of those chrome license plates, I found an extreme amount of iron fallout particles. So here, let me break it down for you. Basically, iron decontamination is removed using a special solution that is designed to dissolve the iron from your paint and wheels, windows, and plastics. It does not harm your paint when it's left on for 5 minutes and used properly. It turns purple when it comes in contact with any iron particles. You could see on all these cars, all the purple spots, all the purple streaks are iron particles. When we clean it all off, you'll see clean white paint, and then it's ready to be clayed to remove the sediment.